is the Hain Celestial Group Incorporated, HAN, undervalued. The Hain Celestial Group Incorporated, Nasdaq Hain, a food, beverage and tobacco company based in the United States, saw a significant share price rise of over 20% in the past couple of months on the Nasdaq GS. As a mid-cap stock with high coverage by analysts, you could assume many recent changes in the company's outlook is already priced into the stock. However, what if the stock is still a bargain? Let's take a look at Hain's outlook and value based on the most recent financial data to see if the opportunity still exists. Is Hain still cheap? The stock seems fairly valued at the moment according to my valuation model. It's trading around 5% below my intrinsic value, which means if you buy Hain today, you'd be paying a fair price for it. And if you believe that Hain is really worth $42.56, then there's not much of an upside to gain from this pricing. Although, there may be an opportunity to buy in the future. This is because Hain's beta, a measure of share price volatility, is high, meaning its price movements will be exaggerated relative to the rest of the market. If the market is bearish, Hain's shares will likely fall by more than the rest of the market, providing a prime buying opportunity. Can we expect growth from Hain? Investors looking for growth in their portfolio may want to consider the prospects of a company before buying its shares. Although value investors would argue that it's the intrinsic value relative to the price that matter the most, a more compelling investment thesis would be high growth potential at a cheap price. Though in the case of Hain, it is expected to deliver a relatively unexciting top-line growth of 9.55% in the next few years, which doesn't help build up its investment thesis. Growth doesn't appear to be a main reason for a buy decision for Hain, at least in the near term. What this means for you? Are you a shareholder? It seems like the market has already priced in Hain's positive outlook, with shares trading around its fair value. However, there are also other important factors which we haven't considered today, such as the financial strength of the company. Have these factors changed since the last time you looked at Hain? Will you have enough conviction to buy should the price fluctuates below the true value? Are you a potential investor? If you've been keeping tabs on Hain, now may not be the most optimal time to buy, given it is trading around its fair value. However, the optimistic prospect is encouraging for Hain, which means it's worth further examining other factors such as the strength of its balance sheet, in order to take advantage of the next price drop. Price is just the tip of the iceberg. Dig deeper into what truly matters, the fundamentals, before you make a decision on Hain Celestial Group. You can find everything you need to know about Hain in the latest infographic research report. If you are no longer interested in Hain Celestial Group, you can use our free platform to see my list of over 50 other stocks with the high growth potential.